Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwad. Our toilet will not stop running. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix it. First step is always cut off the water. Next step is to remove the top, and now you'll be able to see what kind of system your toilet has. This particular toilet is called a Mansfield toilet, so you have your fill valve here, your float here, and then this is the part that fills with water and tells the toilet when to stop filling. There's a seal on the bottom of this tube that goes bad, so we're going to unscrew this top piece. I'm going to lift up on this tube and get it off of the flush valve, and this just lifts straight out. This is the seal. It's just a little rubber ring. Several companies make replacement parts for these. This one's from Corky, and I'll make sure I put an Amazon link in my link tree. I'm gonna do my best to show you where this goes, but just below this top ring, there's a little ridge right before the threads start on the bottom piece. So it goes right under this top edge and sits in a groove there. So we're gonna take the new piece, and then I'm going to work it into that top ring. Once it's in place, it'll be sitting flat, and I like to give it a little spin to make sure it's seated perfectly all the way around. Now all that's left is the reassembly, so we're gonna put this tube back on here. Make sure this goes into that hole in the tube. Now we're gonna screw this back on the top. And cut our water back on. Now it's going to fill the tank with water, and we'll test the flush just to make sure it's fixed. The tank is full. You should be able to flush it easily. So we're going to call this project finished. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love the rest, and you can get started by clicking that one at the top of the screen. I would also be honored if you would subscribe to my channel by clicking the button at the bottom.